Essential oils are one of the most potent forms of plant-based medicine in the world. From killing viruses like coronavirus, to promoting relaxation, to soothing skin scrapes, to supporting the immune system, essential oils offer countless benefits to your life. To be clear, the use of these oils is no fad. Essential oils have thousands of years of history in traditional medicine, and the most ancient of cultures, the Egyptians, the Chinese, the Greeks, they all used essential oils. From the times of biblical medicine on through today, essential oils are used throughout the world. Number 1, frankincense. Frankincense is one of the best essential oils available. It has anti-cancer properties. It is anti-inflammatory, which is vital in the quest to heal all cancers. Specifically, frankincense has been shown to be a potent inhibitor of 5-lipoxygenase, an enzyme responsible for inflammation in the body. Frankincense essential oil also helps boost immune function and prevents illness by dangerous pathogens by multiplying white blood cells and modulating immune reactions. It also helps improve circulation, reduces stress, as well as being known as an effective pain reliever. Oil of frankincense has been shown to contract and tone tissues, which helps to speed regeneration. Frankincense is also shown to provide neurological support, including the ability to destroy toxins that may lead to neurological damage. However, this essential oil has several benefits beyond cancer treatment, including easing arthritis pain, balancing hormones, encouraging better skin health, and aiding digestion. Number 2, lavender. Lavender essential oil contains phytochemicals that support cancer healing. Not only is lavender a known pain reliever, true lavender is anti-tumoral and has demonstrated significant results in resetting the programmed cell death usually lacking in cancer cells. It has been observed to reduce the weight of tumors and inhibit cell growth. Lavender essential oil also reduces stress and supports the function of the immune system. Quality of sleep is improved. Depression and anxiety are relieved. All of these go towards supporting the immune system in the often immunocompromised cancer patient, yet lavender oil has several direct antibacterial properties as well. Studies have shown lavender essential oil to be effective against many common germs, as well as the more serious ones, such as Staphylococcus aureus. It does so by supporting the macrophages and phagocyte systems in the body, as well as helping the body fight the infection through its influence on genetic activity. Number 3 is myrrh. Myrrh is one of those somewhat obscure essential oils that has a variety of powerful healing benefits that should not be overlooked. In terms of cancer, myrrh essential oil exhibits notable effects on cancer cell growth and contains anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, myrrh is known to support healthy hormone balance, which is essential in cancer healing. Like lavender and frankincense, myrrh oil has been long used as a pain reliever. It is also antifungal. With all these properties, myrrh is a potent therapeutic support for your health. Peppermint. Peppermint is another wonderful oil with a wide variety of benefits. This essential oil's cancer benefits comes from its phytochemicals. Phytochemicals contained in peppermint oil have defined cytotoxic and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown peppermint essential oils to reveal antioxidant and have cancer-inhibiting properties, as well as suppressing the growth of tumors. In addition, peppermint oil contains antiogenic properties, which prevents tumors from developing their own blood supply. Peppermint essential oil is a well-known antiseptic with antimicrobial components that benefit respiratory infections such as bronchitis, open wounds, tonsillitis, and laryngitis. Peppermint is so powerful, it is even useful against stronger bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and others that are often antibiotic resistant. Number 5, turmeric, aka curcumin. In labs, curcumin has been found to inhibit enzymes such as COX-2 or COX-2 that causes inflammation, which can lead to cancer. And it also activates a gene that suppresses tumors, cuts cancer cells off from their fuel and oxygen sources, and also kill large B-cell lymphoma cells, prevents cancer stem cells from regrowing, and stops the spread of cancer known as metastasis. This powerhouse oil has other benefits as well, including helping to regulate blood sugar, help wounds to heal faster, prevents Alzheimer's disease, and helps you lose weight and ease arthritis pain. Now I'd like to share with you some critical precautions you must take when using essential oils. Number 1, quality. This is so important it bears repeating. Always use top quality medicinal grade oil. It should be certified organic and 100% pure. Check the reputation of your supplier and ensure that there is no fillers and no additives. Number 2, keep oils away from sensitive areas. This is so important. Essential oils are nature's powerhouses. Keep in mind that they are 40 to 50% more potent than the plant itself. Some oils are more spicy than others. Some taste better than others. Oregano, for example, is one that can burn a bit when you digest it directly. Peppermint requires caution and usually does best with a carrier oil when applying to the skin. Never apply essential oils to sensitive areas of the body, including the genitals or near your eyes. You should always test new oils to ensure that there are no reactions before applying them too liberally. You can start by doing a sniff test of the oil in the bottle. If that seems fine, then proceed. Apply a dab of carrier oil to the inside of your wrist or arm. Add a drop of oil and wait and see what happens. Do you see any redness or itching or swelling? You know, everybody's body is different, so you may need to try different oils to see which one feels best and works best for you. Number 3, don't heat oils. You've probably seen or even have one of those oil burners for using essential oils. What you may not know is that heating these oils destroys their healing properties. It's always best to use a cold diffuser. Cold diffusers are plentifully available and economically priced online. Before I wrap things up, I'd like to encourage you to go visit our website at thetruthaboutcancer.com. There, look for the article called 5 Cancer Fighting Essential Oils. 5 Cancer Fighting Essential Oils. And when you get to that article, you're going to see 5 extra tips. That's right, 5 extra tips on specific ways that you can use essential oils in your daily life. You don't want to miss these great tips. You're going to be getting some amazing info on how you can practically put these essential oils to work in your daily life to obtain some great health benefits. So with that said, let's go ahead and finish up. Number 4, and probably the most important, is children. Always be cautious when using essential oils with children. Diffusion is safest. For direct application, it's important to dilute the stronger oils, especially with a good carrier oil. When making body butters or massage oils for children, use 1 drop of essential oils to 5 tablespoons of carrier oil. This will dilute the essential oil enough to make it more tolerable and safer for your child. Be careful not to place the essential oil near your kid's eyes, and always do a sensitivity test first. Take care and stay healthy.